Hello friends, welcome to Next Generation of Coders. In this tutorial, we will talk about dictionary. Dictionary key value pair. We represent dictionary like as I show you a equal to semi bracket 1 is to 2 comma 3 4 comma 8 colon 6. Here 1 3 8 is key and 2 8 6 are values. If we want to write key, then we write print a dot key. When we run this, we get the output dictionary key 1 3 and 8. And similarly, if we want to find values, write value, and when we run this, then we get the value 2 4 and 6. Since here 1 has a value 2 and 3 has a value 4 and 8 has a value of 6. If you want to make any table, then we use this dictionary. Since you are thinking that where this dictionary is used, when we make any word or when a student, company members, or any goods or anything, then we use this dictionary. Now I show you one example where we make a reader of one student. A equal to name colon xyz, age 20, comma, stress 22, and so on, and sex equal to when here name, age, address, sex are key, and xyz 21 m72 that is male is value. Like I show you, if we write print a dot and run this, then we get the output name, age, address, sex. Similarly, if we write value and this, then we get the output xyz 21 m72 that as test. And here we do basic thing. So when if we want to write any value or if we want to change any value, then we use and run this the output 21. Similarly, if we want to change any value 21 to 20, we write age equal to 20, and then we get the output 20. We change the value 21 to 20. As if we want to change anything, then you can also. The concept of dictionary is finished here. Thank you for watching, and if you want to ask any question, then ask in the comment box. As soon as possible I will reply you.